Hi guys, and welcome to Chase for Adventure. I'm Annette, and today I'm teaching you how to negotiate in Thailand as a first timer. Some basic rules for negotiating in Thailand, and note that these are for Thai vendors only. Not all vendors in Thailand are Thai, and different rules apply to them. I'm specifically talking to my Thai vendors out there. Number one, the larger the quantity that you're trying to purchase, especially if you're with a group of people, the lower the price that you're more likely to get. So you have more negotiating power the larger the quantity. Number two, the friendlier you are, the more chances that they're going to reciprocate the same friendliness. And if you start out a conversation with some basic Thai phrases that I teach you down below, and even give you a cheat sheet of Thai phrases that you can use when talking to them, they're also more inclined to give you a better price. Some things that I really encourage you to learn is learning the numbers, which I'm gonna run through really quickly. Nung, song, sam, si, ha, hok, jed, pad, gao, and sip. That's 1 through 10. For the hundreds, it's roy. So you would just say nung roy for 100 or song roy for 200. And that's how you go on with that. If you find that a price is simply too much even after negotiating, you can just say, my car, no thank you, friend, and you walk away. At the end of the day, these people are trying to make a living too, and sometimes you're really negotiating only for a couple of dollars. So don't take it too to heart and try your best. Another negotiation strategy that I'm actually gonna show you right after this is I look for an item that I want, but not the exact one that I want from a different vendor. So I'm gonna show you how I do that when I was looking for swimsuits here on Railay Beach. So I am in the market for some swimsuits. So I'm gonna see if I like any of the ones here, and if I don't, I'm gonna try and negotiate. But that's so that I can establish a base level for where I can start negotiating with the next person. สวัสดีค่ะคุณสบายดีไหม Good เท่าไรค่ะ250ลดน้อยได้ไหมคะนิดหน่อย200แล้วกัน100ไม่ได้เลยค่ะ120 140 Okay For this one?
This one and 250.
250. What's the best price?
No, not
These?
This one is 400.
These 400.
Yeah, this one 400. I think this 250. This 280.
Oh, okay. ไม่ค่ะขอบคุณมากค่ะ
ค่ะไม่เป็นไรค่ะ
และขอบคุณมากค่ะ
ค่ะ
Okay, so vendor number one, base level is $250, which is coming out to about $7 for the whole swimsuit set. So I'm gonna go to another vendor and see if I can get a better price. What is size for you? Medium. Yeah. But it's okay. เท่าไรค่ะ
380 ค่ะ380
อันนี้ได้ไหมคะลดนิดหน่อยเท่าไรค่ะ
ลดได้330
330 Okay, so
330
can you do 320?
แค่นั้น
มันสวยมาก
แค่นั้น
แต่
not same price small size this one free size small size 280
okay. So what is the lowest price for this one?
330 last time
330. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, so the first price was $380. I was able to get it down to $330, and that was her final price. And then she sent me to some cheaper swimsuits. They're all not the best quality, which is what I'm finding. I don't think I'm gonna get a swimsuit here, frankly. But I do want to show you just how that interaction is. Negotiating in Thailand is probably really different from the negotiation strategies that you might have seen in other countries where you have to get aggressive or defensive or pretend like you don't like the item. The Thai people are really friendly, and you'd be surprised how a good attitude, a smile, and knowing just a few Thai words can really help out your negotiation strategy. I actually have a whole video on helpful negotiation words and just useful phrases in general for first timers in Thailand that you can click down below. But basically the ones that you're really gonna want to know when you're negotiating is เท่าไรค่ะ or เท่าไรครับ if you're a male, so ka for women. And another one that you're gonna want to know is ลดน้อยได้ไหมค่ะ So if you're a male, just replace the ka for cup. And that's discount little bit, need noi, little bit. And then you're able to kind of sweet talk them. You can tell them that they're beautiful by using the word sawai. But be careful, because if you say sawai wrong, it also means bad luck. But they'll know that you're doing it with good intentions. On to one more swimsuit. Let's see if I can find it. Sawadika! Kun sabay di mai? Sawadika! Okay, I think I have found a swimsuit that I like. Or at least the style of swimsuits that I like. Not a chance, that's gonna fit a thigh. They're not gonna sell it to me separate, but worth the exercise anyway. So now I'm going for like the winter suit, right? I'm gonna use the price that I got from the last one, which was $250, and the one that I got from the run right after, which was $330, and see how much they'll charge me for this one, and see how I can get it. Okay. Ben, เท่าไรคะ
350
350 ลดน้อยได้ไหมคะนิดหน่อย
300
300 can do 250
280
280
และ 280
can try on no fit. Yeah, this one won't fit me. ขอบคุณมากค่ะแล้วพบกันไหมค่ะ So the starting price was $350, went down to $280, which isn't bad. I could have negotiated a little harder, I think, but because it wasn't gonna fit me and I wasn't gonna try it on because they don't let you try it on, I just didn't see the point to keep going. But I could have probably safely gotten him down to $260. So there you have it, the negotiation strategy at work. So sorry guys, there was a lot of music and a lot of ruckus and hustle and bustle over on Relay, so we've moved on inside so that you guys can learn some of the concepts in a less distracting space. In Thailand, friendliness and knowing a few Thai phrases will actually go a really long way. After coming here multiple times since 2018, we rarely pay full price for anything. But with that said, not everything is negotiable. Some things that you can't negotiate are things at established chains like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, Black Canyon Coffee. You can't negotiate medical expenses, so if you get hurt or you go to a hospital, that's not something that's negotiable. You usually cannot negotiate things at restaurants and at street food vendors when you're at a market, like for a pad thai or something. Usually the set price is the lowest price that they'll go. There are a few exceptions to that, but I'll tell you a little bit about that after. Now, there are definitely some things that you can and should negotiate. Some of those things include tuk-tuk rides, massages, even sometimes accommodation, any item, accessories, clothing, souvenirs, all of that is negotiable. Almost anything else at markets, so treats, fruits, and vegetables, and the prices at tour desks. On that note, guys, I really hope that you found this negotiation video very helpful. If you did like it, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And if you have other suggestions or other tips and tricks that you want to share with travelers, make sure that you put them down in the comments below. Give this channel a subscribe so that you can see the rest of our adventures around the world. A quick reminder, we do have a freebie down below of useful phrases that you can bring onto Thailand. And if you want to skip this whole situation together and would rather travel Thailand with us, make sure that you click below so that you can learn more about joining us on our Thailand tours in 2020. On that note, guys, we will see you on our next adventure.